welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming, well, I'm going to be filming a couple of videos. Oh my god, I have so many videos that I want to film right now so that I can start getting these uploaded. One is going to be the second unboxing for Pam's Happy Mail, and then two, Abby, one of my subscribers and Instagram followers, sent me some Happy Mail a while back, and there's a little giveaway in there for you guys, so I have to do that video. And then I finally finished my orders. I have 3 orders that I have to ship out, and I finally finished them. I'm so excited. I have to film those videos. I have my Planner Society unboxing, so I have to film that video. So I'm going to try to get it all done so that I can start editing these videos and start getting them up to you guys. The ordered ones, of course, I like to post them once my customer actually receives it, because I like them to see it first, and then, you know, I like to get any feedback and that type of stuff. So those videos will always be up as soon as they receive their orders, but at least I'll have them ready so that I can go ahead and start packaging it up and sending it to them, because filming is technically the last step. The step before that is taking Instagram pictures, and I already did that, so I've been trying to be as productive as I can be. As you can see, I'm already fall mode. This is actually my fall tablecloth. If you guys remember my Hobby Lobby haul, I bought the matching napkins, and I actually ended up ordering the tablecloth online, so it came in. I love it. It's so pretty. And then I ended up ordering the same runner, and it's in my kitchen, so I'm kind of fall mode already. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the fall. It's too hot, so if you can hear my fan, I'm so sorry. It's just so hot in here. I really need it, or I'm gonna absolutely melt. And so, as you guys know, Abby sent to me some Happy Mail, and I'm super excited to finally get to open it. She sent it to me weeks and weeks ago, and I have not opened it. I have not seen it. So the only thing I did was slice the bag, and then as soon as I saw there was a little giveaway in there, I was like, oops, I'm just gonna wait to film this video. So yeah, so thank you, Abby, and thank you so much for being patient with me and waiting for me to upload this video. But I'm so excited and so grateful that you decided to send me some Happy Mail, and my followers, I can't wait to see it. So this is the little packaging she sent it in, and so I just took everything out. This is what she sent me. It says, P.S. there is a small gift for your followers, one for you and one for them. So yay! So this is pretty good. This is gonna be like one of those really quick giveaways, because I'm gonna go to the post office soon, and I want to make sure I can ship it out while I'm there. And then she also sent me these little cards. So it says, thank you, Abbey Lashes. Oh my gosh, it says liquid matte lipstick. So Abby, it says Abbey Cosmetics. So Abby, you have your own cosmetics and lashes. Oh my god, that's amazing. She is such a makeup girl. If you guys follow her on Instagram, her makeup is flawless. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what this is right here. So there's 2 little packages. Oh my gosh. Alright, so these are her eyelashes, I'm guessing from her cosmetic brand. So I'm going to go ahead and open one up, and I'm guessing the other one's going to be for the giveaway. So I'm just going to hold that right there. So I know a lot of you guys love makeup, and you're totally into that kind of stuff. So if this is the kind of giveaway you want, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, so oh my goodness, look at this packaging. It's amazing. It says Abbey Lashes, so it has her name. It says Lashes LA Pappas. And then, oh, this one's called LA Pappas. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Do you guys see that packaging? That is gorgeous. So it has the, can I open it? Well, this one's mine, right? So I can open it. I just want to open it so I can see what it looks like, because it's harder in plastic. Oh my goodness, look at those lashes, you guys. No lie, I've never worn eyelashes. Look at how gorgeous these are. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna show them to my sister-in-law, and Abby, if she likes them, I'll tell her to hit you up, because she is such a makeup guru and she loves eyelashes. So oh my goodness, these are beautiful. And if you guys are interested, these are LA Pappas, and I'll leave Abby's Instagram linked down below for you guys to go check her out. Hit her up if you want to check them out. And then here's the other one. This one is called Sensual. Look at how gorgeous. I love the case. I love how cute the casing is. And then you can always, once you're done with the eyelash, you can take out the little plastic container and throw in some little planner goodies. Right? Why not? But look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness, they feel so pretty. They feel so real. And this one is called Sensual. So if you guys are interested, go check her out. Go see what she has to offer. Look at how beautiful these are. Abby, thank you so much for thinking of me and my subscribers. So today, one of you guys will get to win your very own pack of Abby eyelashes. All you have to do is comment down below, Abby lashes. I will enter you automatically into my giveaway. This will be a 24-hour giveaway. It will be really, really quick so that I can get it to the post office ASAP. So as of now, go ahead, start commenting Abby lashes down below. And don't forget to go check her out on Instagram. Go check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Abby, thank you so much for thinking of me. I love them and I'm going to try to put them on. Hopefully I can do it. If not, my daughter will have to wear them. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed it, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, enter the giveaway. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!